I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the detector is dead. That prevents shocks and false alarms. Once done, set up a stable ladder and remove the cover by twisting or sliding. Most bases have a small tab. As you disengage the unit, hold the detector's body to avoid dropping it. You'll see a battery clip or compartment and a hardwired connector. Make sure to keep screws and the mounting ring together so reassembly is simple. With the unit lowered, unplug the small harness by squeezing the connector. Never yank wires. Then open the battery compartment and remove the old battery, noting how the clip holds it. Check terminals for white or green corrosion and clean gently if present. Insert the new battery matching plus and minus markings and press it snugly into the clip. After battery replacement, reconnect the harness fully. You should feel a small click when contacts seat correctly, which ensures power restoration. Now turn the breaker back on and press the detector's test button for several seconds. You want a clear, loud tone. This proves both battery and wiring work. Once confirmed, align the unit with the mounting base and twist or screw it back into place until it's secure but not over-tightened. If the alarm does not sound, make sure the breaker truly controls that circuit, reseat the harness, and double-check battery polarity. If issues persist, shut power and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.